Hello, this is Shai. Welcome to the Joy of CAD. On this episode, we will begin preparations to use a standard version of AutoCAD 2026 with no specialty add-ons to draw civil engineering inspired features within a land development project. The point of this Civil Basics video series is not to complete a full-blown project together, nor to teach fundamental civil engineering concepts, but instead to simply teach these basic drafting techniques using AutoCAD as opposed to something like Civil 3D. This is the first of a 6-part series. In this video, I will cover setting the units, docking the Layer Properties Manager, docking the Properties palette, how to create a custom scale, and how to set up your text, dimension, and leader styles. Let's jump right in by setting the units. We simply key in UNITS within the command bar. That will then bring up our drawing units palette. In this case, I already have these set, but just to go through these together, we're going to want to set decimal as our length type, precision, set to 4 sig figs. Our insertion scale will be set to scale of feet. Our angle type will be set to surveyor's units. And our precision will be set to north 0 degrees, 00 minutes, 0.0 seconds east. Once we've done that, select OK to accept them, and we now have our units set. Next, we're going to dock the Layer Properties Manager. Most of you have probably done this already. I already have it docked over here on the left side of my screen. To do this again, let's go through. The Layer Properties Manager is up here at the top of the home screen within the ribbon. We're going to click on Layer Properties. Yours will probably dock out here in the middle somewhere, and you may not have that auto hide already clicked on, probably not. To move this palette, grab it by the dark bar on the left, pull it over to the side of your screen, and let go. Now, if your Layer Properties Manager is narrow like this, you can grab these arrows and drag it wider so you can see more of the palette. And if you want to auto hide this, hover up here in this bar and click the auto hide option right there. Now, whenever you hover over this, the Layer Properties Manager will pop open. All right. Next, we're going to dock our Properties palette here on the right side. In this case, I already have mine docked. This is what yours will look like. I'm going to exit out. To get this set up, we're going to go to the Properties option here in the ribbon at the top. We're going to click on this arrow, and that will pop out our Properties Manager. We move this around by the dark bar on the side. We can grab this, push it over here to the side, let go, and it should dock. Right? Next, let's create a custom scale in AutoCAD. For our upcoming project, we're going to use a scale of 1 to 200. I already have mine set, but I'll show you how we achieve that. Click on the little arrow next to the scale. Scroll all the way to the bottom till you see Custom. Click on Custom, and we're going to add a scale. Notice mine's already here, but we're going to add a scale. Key in 1:200. You will set your scale paper units at 1, and your drawing units you will set at 200. And then click OK. I've already got one set, so I'll cancel out. Should look like this. If I edit this, you should see 1 to 200. Okay. And that should show down here in the status bar, 1 to 200. All right. And now lastly, let's review how to set up your text, dimension, and leader styles that you'll use for your upcoming project. We're going to go to the Annotate tab at the top, and we're going to set our text styles. Click the arrow in the bottom right corner. For your upcoming project, I believe I have you setting up 4 different text styles, all named after yourself. Each text style should be annotative, and the paper text height should be specified. Once you have all of those set, choose Apply. Next, we're going to set up our dimensions. So a dimension style, click on the little arrow in the bottom corner. I want you all to set up an annotative dimension style, set at a size of 1/16 of an inch, so 0.0625. Right, and I'll just kind of flash through these screens here, starting with lines. Basically, if you've already got a 1/8 inch text or dimension style set up, you're just going to replace the 0.125 with 0.0625. So things like baseline spacing, extend beyond dim lines, offset from origin, those will all be updated. Symbols and arrows, arrowhead size, we want to drop that down to 0.0625. Break size, 0.125 is fine. Next, we're going to go to text. In this case, you're going to want to set your text height at 0.0625. And we'll next go to fit. Make sure annotative is checked. Primary units, you're going to want to set your primary units at decimal to 4 sig figs. 4 sig figs for this upcoming project. And that's all we need to set. Click OK. Accept your new style, close it. And then lastly, we're going to set up our leaders. Click on the little arrow in the bottom corner to open up our style manager. You're going to set up a leader style, 0.0625, so 1/16 of an inch. I'll just show you what that looks like. Leader format, again, we're replacing the 1/8 with 1/16. So arrowhead size, leader break size, leader structure, landing distance 0.0625, and content, you're going to want a 0.0625. Accept those, close those out. And if we go ahead and insert some text here, just as an example, show what that looks like. If you've done it correctly and you have everything set up, if I highlight this and I look in properties, I should see that my text style is showing correctly. It's annotative. Annotative scale is set correctly, matches my annotative scale down here, and you should be good. Next, we'll insert a dimension. And if you've got this set up correctly, you should see it's at 4 sig figs. Again, it is annotative, yes, 1 to 200 scale. You want to accept that. It should be good, and everything set at the 0.0625. And lastly, we'll add a leader here. Oops, turn my ortho off. And if we highlight that, you should see again, it's annotative 1 to 200 scale, arrowhead size, everything should be set up correctly. And that's where we're at. This concludes our session of The Joy of CAD. Happy drafting.